To use the Santander credit card application, start by visiting the Santander website or mobile app. Click on the credit cards section and choose the card that suits your needs. Read the terms and conditions, including the interest rate, fees, and rewards. Next, click on the Apply Now button and fill out the online application form. You will need to provide personal and financial information, such as your name, address, income, and employment status. Make sure to fill out the form accurately and completely to avoid any delays in the application process. Once you have submitted your application, Santander will review your credit history and verify the information you provided. This may take a few minutes, and you will receive an instant decision in most cases. If your application is approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few days. After receiving your credit card, activate it by calling the phone number provided or through the mobile app. You can then start using your credit card for purchases, balance transfers, or cash advances. Make sure to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees and interest charges. It is also important to note that you can manage your credit card account online or through the mobile app. You can check your balance, view your transactions, and make payments. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to stay on top of your account activity. To get the most out of your Santander credit card, make sure to take advantage of the rewards and benefits offered. This may include cashback, travel points, or purchase protection. Always read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement to understand the rewards and benefits available to you. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Santander credit card application to get a new credit card and manage your account effectively. Remember to always use your credit card responsibly and make your payments on time to avoid any negative impact on your credit score.